You got a flat? I mean, it's a little rough. We've got all three. Just letting us go by. Thank you. As soon as we hit the gate. How far behind you is Bo?
I can't even see if it's done.
Pictures and videos on the teeter-totter swings, so we get to go play.
Alright, well the next one you gotta go inside, so that's probably where you guys will pass us. Did you catch Bo again?
I just dropped the kid off over in American Central Avenue to buy me a Montesa.
Alright, let's see what we can hold off. Oh,
We're in production of that, waiting for us.
Okay. I'm on that long flat street trying to make up time.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted.
how's your fuel looking? Maybe when we hit this first gate we'll fill up.
We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
So,
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
you got a flat?
I'm gonna take it up to the top, but I think I gotta drive a rear.
Yep, she's flat as a pancake.
Hey, Keenan, you know what this means?
What?
Neither of us have a spare.
Fuck. That might not have went all the way through. You know what the problem is? That.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. That's a slight problem. Hey, we can beat that. We can make it hold air if we need to. Put some heat to it. When the shop goes to like 150.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Well, impact Captain Nucket does. Yeah, I've got this Milwaukee that I use. That works pretty good.
Alright, tire change challenge complete. You should definitely get points for completing the tire change challenge now.
Chevron right there. Off the corner.
You want to go the Chevron or you want to go the Maverick?
I prefer Maverick. Adventure's first stop, Maverick.
There's Maverick.
These rocks will be a little more forgiving than the last batch I got us.
It is so cool rock crawling in two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Right down that.
Yeah?
Fuck it, my balls just grew.
No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pay. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise.
Where'd you go?
We're almost to the road. Trophy truck mode.
Pictures got way too much on the road.
There's the tunnel. So we've seen the famous tunnel now. Yeah, these stupid whoops. Stupid. We have to wait here for production.
Send it for G.
Roger, roger. See you in a few.
See ya.
Should we go in at two-wheel drive?
You don't want to be the one that gets stuck in the middle of this.
Fresh off the wind this morning?
It's not a race.
Oh, no. It was a race this morning. It was fun.
Great that you're having so much fun out on the trail.
Oh, wow.
We got to assist with a tire change as well.
Good to know. Do you know how fast he did it in? We'll record his time.
Everybody just settling in a little bit. This is perfect. Welcome to Camp Sherpa. It's going to be a fun night.
Awesome.
Thank you.
you.